everyone, I am Sarvam. Today we are going to make our very own lava lamps. It's super cool, so let's get started. Want to know how this happens? This happens because the oil and water don't mix. The soda creates bubbles, lifting the colored water up like lava. How cool is that? You can try this at home with your family. And thanks for watching and see you until next time. Thank you. Bye.